OMGB, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit, it's so ecstatic. Yan palagi, naglalaro ko ng heads. Balik kayo. No! Dapat guys, pag natapos ko to guys, yung ano na to, heads, maglalaro naman ako ng backrooms. So, yeah. Joke ng evade. I'm gonna play some evade, guys. I just died. Yeah. I have no stylish na emotion. Kaya, animation pala. So, dito na ako kumukuha. Because gustong gusto ko ng stylish. Pangarap ko yun, pero wala na akong Robux. Wala na akong Robux. I'm super duper poor. No! Oh my god! I'm super duper poor. Yeah. 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 Para style. Sayang. Nahulog ako guys. Lagi ko to ginagamit everyday. Because this is my favorite. Ganun lang pala. Slay. No, you're a baghead. No, yes. I saved my day here. Part 1 muna to guys. Yung ano na to. Part 1 to guys ah. Okay. Sayaw muna ako. So, bye-bye na pala. See you for part 1. Mag-edit muna ako. Oo. Yeah guys. Bye sa part 1 ko.